Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another mail call for you. We've actually got one mail call and then one item that I actually picked up. So let's get straight into the video. Thank you to everyone that's tuned in to today's video. I really appreciate it. I know it's harder than ever now to keep up with everyone's videos. There's so many great channels out there. There's so many more people creating content. So I really appreciate it when you take the time to watch my video. It doesn't go unnoticed, and I want to say a massive thank you. But let's get straight into it. This has come all the way from the US. I should have got a pair of scissors because it's been wrapped very carefully with lots of sellotape around it to protect it. And I know who this is from because it says a return address on the front. But I won't spoil that just yet. There we go, that worked quite well. And let's show you who it's from and what we've got inside. Right, I think that's everything. Yep, that's empty. Oh, that's cool. Look, we've got a dog on the front there. And this is actually a card. Wow, look at that. This is really well presented. Right, so you can see it's from Mitchy Stacker. Now, I believe this is the third mail call that Mitchy Stacker has sent me. So a massive shout out to Mitchy Stacker. I really appreciate it. It costs quite a lot of money to send things across the pond. So really appreciate you sending me not just one, but 3 separate mail calls. It says 365, here is my new poker chip. Thank you again for all of the support, Mitchy Stacker. And look at that poker chip. That looks really nice. I've not actually seen a poker chip that has different coloured bits around the edges like that. They're normally kind of one single colour, and these are normally white, I think, on most of the poker chips that I've seen. But yeah, that looks really effective. It says the back is Michigan State Seal. Okay, so let's have a look at the back. So it's a double-sided poker chip, which is even better. I will leave a link to Mitchy Stacker's channel in today's video description for those of you that haven't yet checked him out. He's got a really good channel. He's quite regularly uploading content. And let's have a little look at the other side of this poker chip. Really nicely presented. I really like the fact that you put it in a card as well. Put that over there. I will take off those bits of sellotape and throw them in the bin so that I can store that card with the rest of the mail calls. I'll keep absolutely everything that everyone sends me. Look at that. Really nice looking poker chip. And this is the Michigan State Seal, did it say? What did it say? The Michigan State Seal, yeah. Let's have a look at that. Wow, look at that. That looks really nice, really effective. That's come out really nice, and I love the background of the blue. Matches in with the poker chip as well. Really like it. I think this has got to be the best poker chip out of all of the ones that you've so far sent me. So definitely an upgrade. They keep getting better and better every time you do a new design on them. Really like that. So thank you very much, my friend, for sending that across. I really appreciate it. And like I said, that's the third thing you sent me in the space of, I think, 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, really appreciate that. Massive shout out for all the support. Really nice looking card as well. So we'll put those to one side and we'll get straight on to the next one. Now this is actually something I picked up from someone in the community, and that someone is McDonald Bullion. For those of you that follow McDonald Bullion, you'll know already that he's got a great channel, and again I will put a link to his channel in today's video description. But he actually put a community post on YouTube with a few items that he was selling. He was selling off some of his silver, and I think the plan is that he's going to convert it into gold. And there was a couple of bits on there that I like the look of. I can't remember if I picked up 1 or 2 pieces now, I'm not too sure. So let's have a little look. No, I picked up a few bits. Yeah, I forgot about those. So there we go. Right, so the first thing I picked up was, I think I only picked up 4. So maybe he's thrown an extra one in, or maybe it was 5. But we've got 1/10 Britannias. Now, I really like these for giveaways and for putting in people's mail calls and things like that, especially if it's someone that's only just started stacking. I really like to send them a little piece of silver to help them along their way. and help them build up their foundation stack. But he listed, I can't remember if he's chucked an extra one in or not, or whether I actually brought all 4 of them. I thought I brought only 4, but maybe I picked up 5. But either way, thank you very much, my friend, for sending these across so quickly. 2020, 1/10 Britannias. And like I said, these aren't to go into my stack. These are for me to give away to people, either as giveaways or just to send with people's mail calls and things like that. So I really like the way that they're in these flips as well. Makes it even better. Instead of me having to put them in another flip or something myself, they're literally ready to go. So thank you very much, McDonald Bullion, for those. I think it was quite a nice deal that I picked those up for as well. And I also picked up this 1/2 ounce stacker bar. Stacker round, is it a round bar? Not really sure. These are very, very popular. And this is actually the first one I've picked up. I know a lot of people have these in their stack. I know Coin Noob's got a huge collection of these. And I've actually got a plan for this. And I will announce what I have planned for this in the near future. But these are very popular. I'm not sure exactly what mint they're from. So someone in the comments would have to let me know. Coin Noob, if you see this, you'll definitely know what mint these are from. Because Coin Noob has a huge collection of these. And they're really, really popular in the community. This one's actually sealed. So that's really nice to see. But yeah, I've got a plan for this in the future. So that is why I picked up that. So thank you very much, McDonald Bullion, like I said, for sending those over so quickly. Nice doing business with you, my friend. And we'll pop those also to one side. Now, before we wrap up today's video, I just wanted to show you the 365 Club bar. For those of you that haven't seen it already, I've actually finished putting these tins together now. And this is for those people that have been a 365 Club member of my YouTube channel for a whole year. They actually come with a COA, a magnetic one. I actually designed this myself, and I thought it'd be quite interesting to see how it looked on a magnet instead of on a piece of card. And I think it looks quite good. And also it makes it a lot more hardy as well. It's not going to crease or anything like that. But let's have a little look at the bar. Now, these are 1 ounce pieces. They're only available if you've been a member of my paid membership here on YouTube for a whole year. They're actually made by Pure Scottish Silver. They've got his hallmark on the side there. And they've also got his stamp on the back. But really, really nice looking pieces of silver. I've actually got, I think, 3 or 4 of these to send out this week. So we'll get those out to you very, very soon. If you haven't yet sent me your address and you have been a member of my channel for a whole year, please do send me your address over via email or on Stackers Social, and I'll get one of these out to you as soon as possible. So I'm going to wrap the video up there. I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's watched today's video. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a very nice day.